Hey folks, Jason here. Welcome to the very first episode of Domo Decoded, one magnifies essential guide to Domo basics. We're going to be covering Domo fundamentals today. And why Domo? It's going to lead to faster insights, better collaboration with your stakeholders, and having decisions made by real data in real time. When you first log into the Domo platform, you are going to be presented with the homepage that you have set in for yourself. Today, we're going to be hooking up to our first data source. What we're going to be doing is clicking on data in the top ribbon, and then we're going to be clicking on connect data. From here, from clicking on connectors, we can pick from hundreds of options. Salesforce, Excel, Google Analytics, you name it. For today's example, I'm going to be connecting to a simple spreadsheet hosted on Google Sheets. First, I'll type in Google Sheets into my search bar. Then I'll use the Google Sheets connector to connect to my Google account. The next screen will ask for the spreadsheet URL. So I can navigate over to the example sales data here, which is a spreadsheet that I simply created inside of Google Sheets, and I can paste that spreadsheet URL into this box. After we click Save and Run, Domo will reach out and pull in the data from Google Sheets, and then we can utilize these tabs up top to see various information about our data. On the AI Readiness tab, we can see what sort of context we've provided to Domo so it can utilize its Domo.ai tooling. On our Data tab, we can get a preview of the data to see what this looks like inside of Domo. Lineage will show us if this dataset is powering any cards, data flows, cards, or alerts. PDP allows us to add personalized data permissions. Lastly, AutoML. This is Domo's automated machine learning feature, and after you have a dataset of sufficient size that has been described appropriately, you can utilize this feature in order to get automated insights.